heaviness, almost a condemnation that's on you of like, there's no way I could be like David. There's no way that I could be that one to see Jesus and come close to Jesus, that you feel like there's so much shame and there's so much oppression on you that has separated you from coming to Jesus. I just would encourage you, I'd love to pray for you tonight. And if you would like someone to pray for you, you can just raise your hand where you're at, and people can gather around you just to pray and to break this off of you. But if you want someone to pray for you, you can raise your hand. But I'm going to pray for you guys in the room, those on the web stream. I just feel like there is from the Lord right now that there are some that are saying, there's no way I could be that person to come close to Jesus. I've done too much. You have no idea what I've done. So I'm just going to pray right now and just say no to that and just claim the blood of Jesus over this room and over those on the web stream. Lord, I just ask right now, God, over this room, God, I ask that you would just wash defilement. God, I ask that you would just cleanse condemnation right now through the blood of your Son. God, I'm asking those that feel separated from you, those that have feeling like, no, there's no way that I can come and sit at the feet of Jesus. There's no way that I can come and sit under your tree and eat of your fruit. And there's no way that I can even, how am I supposed to come close? God, I'm asking right now that you have deleted our past sins. You have freed us from the guilt of sin and shame. Lord, you have justified us. God, you have made us righteous. And I'm just asking over this room, God, those that are sitting at their computers, watching tonight, that are feeling outcast, that are feeling alone. Jesus, speak a better word, that you are calling us into a life of abundance, that your blood has canceled our sin and shame. God, restore faith, that it's not upon our merits, it's not upon our works that we can come close to you, but it's faith. It's faith in the cross, that your mercy is good each and every day. God, I'm asking that you would wash this room right now. God, cancel the assignment of the enemy that's trying to separate, God, a whole generation from coming into your presence. God, I'm asking that you would cancel that against all those, God, that are saying, no, I'm outcast. Jesus, you have brought us in, that you have cut the veil, and you were the sacrifice. So Jesus, I'm asking that you would restore faith, that you would restore hope, Lord, that you would restore right now on the inside of these people in this room, that they can come boldly to the throne of grace and mercy, and that you are a loving Father. You are waiting for them, and that you have desired from the foundation of the world that each and every person in this room would come into your presence. So God, I'm asking that you would touch them right now, fill up their hearts in Jesus' name.
Shame is a liar, shame is a liar. You're made for encounter, made to be closer. Shame is a liar, shame is a liar. Can you feel him drawing you in? Shame is a liar, shame is a liar. You're made for encounter, made to be closer. Shame is a liar, shame is a liar. Can you feel him drawing you in? Shame is a liar, shame is a liar. You're made to be closer, made for encounter. Shame is a liar, shame is a liar. Can you feel him drawing you in? Shame is a liar, shame is a liar. You're made for encounter, made to be closer. Shame is a liar, shame is a liar. Can you feel him drawing you in? Shame is a liar, shame is a liar. You're made for encounter, made to be closer. Shame is a liar, shame is closer. Shame is a liar. Shame is a liar. Can you feel him drawing you in? Shame is a liar. Shame is a liar. You're made for encounter.